how to mute specific group notifications down on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mute specific group notifications down on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find select any group you want like this one, and then click here on group profile, and here you will find mute notification, not this one, custom notifications. Click on it, and first thing you need to turn on this one here in top, and then click notifications on and click settings. Now just scroll down, here you will find it, click on it, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.